everyone, so hope you all are doing great. And today I'm going to review and swatch one of the newest launches by Lakme, and it's their liquid matte lipsticks. They have launched these lipsticks in 8 shades. I have 6 of them with me right now, and I have been testing these out for almost 4 days now, so I have worn almost all the shades except a red and orange. I have worn all the 4 shades, given them a fair chance, fair try. Now I'm going to share my thoughts with you all. So first of all, let's quickly talk about the pros and cons. So the good thing about these lipsticks is that these are very comfortable on the lip. These are kind of not drying, which is amazing for a liquid lipstick, because generally we come across liquid lipsticks with a long staying formula and they are extremely drying. Secondly, the shades are very good, like they have really good shades. I have picked 6 shades and there are 8 shades. All the shades are very pretty. The lipsticks are priced at 750 rupees, and the cons include short staying power. So these are not as long staying as the regular liquid lipsticks are. So these are more on the side of NYX liquid suede lipsticks or soft matte lip creams if you have tried those. So these stay on for a long time. Once you apply them, these take like 15 minutes to at least dry down completely. I have this shade on for almost 10 minutes now, and now it's like transfer proof, so it doesn't transfer once it's set. But the challenge is it's not completely transfer proof, so once you eat and drink it will transfer on spoon or your glass, hence the staying power is little low. So you can expect a staying power of good 6+ hours. So these are not like 100% opaque full coverage in single swipe kind of lipstick, so you have to build the coverage. If you have dark lips like me, you will probably need 2 layers. Secondly, I don't like the applicator. The applicator is very thin, and you have to dig in twice or thrice to completely cover your lips. All in all, I'm quite surprised and quite happy with the formula. My lips are extremely dry, and anything like these Colourpop Ultra Matte lipsticks or Sugar Matte lipsticks make my lips extremely dry. So this formula is very comfortable and very good. If you are interested and if you want to see the swatches, then please keep on watching. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I take a lot of requests there. I interact with the people who follow me there on a regular basis. So if you have any query, if you want me to review a certain product, you can always drop a request there. Let's quickly jump into the swatches. Enjoyed this quick review come swatches of Lakme matte liquid lipsticks, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.